Okay, so here is something that I challenge you to use with any roofing contractor you're trying to select. This is a trick, and I'm going to let you into some inside secrets here. Roofers hate doing roof repairs. Why? There's hardly any money in them, and most of the time there's a lot of trips back and forth, and it's not very efficient. But we do them anyway because that's what's best for our customer and our consumer. Whenever we do a repair, we do it with excellence, hoping and asking the customer if, hey, when you do need this roof done, be sure to give us a call. So what I'm going to tell you today is how to screen a roofing contractor before you use them. Make sure that they're going to provide great customer service. Let's say that you have storm damage. Let's say that your roof's getting older. Let's say it's time to get your roof replaced. Whatever the case may be, you know you need a new roof. Before you call somebody out, pick a few companies that have good reviews on Google and just give them a quick call and ask them, say, hey, I've got a small roof repair that I need done. When can you have somebody out? Here's what's going to happen more than likely. If you call 5 companies, 3 of them are not going to call you back. One of them is going to schedule something, cancel, reschedule, cancel, reschedule, cancel, reschedule. And then one more, the last one, is more than likely going to say, look, we're really busy. We're going to fit you on the schedule. We'll come out and do an inspection for you. And if the repair is what you need, then that's what we're going to help you with. The company that does make it out there, even though that you're prefacing it on that it's a repair, that's the company that you want to use. Because even though they're not getting the full roof, or so they think, they're still willing to come out, service you, serve you, and be there because they know their job is service. You know, one thing that I believe, and I was talking with one of my team members, is we are not here to sell a product, to push a product. We're here to provide a solution. Now, sometimes that solution is full roof replacement. Sometimes that solution is a repair. Sometimes that solution is nothing roof related at all. Your roof's in good shape and you got many more years left on it. So again, call the roofing companies, ask them if they do repairs. If they don't, or if they give you the runaround, they don't care about you. They just want the full replacements. Don't work with that kind of company, because when something goes wrong, you're going to get the same type of bad treatment. Pick the company that's going to take care of you, whether there's a lot of money on the table or just a little bit. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. You know, if we're outside of your service area, go ahead and give us a call anyway. We're more than happy to help. We're connected with contractors all over the nation, and we'd be more than happy to connect you with somebody who lines up with our core values and is going to give you great customer service. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you in the next one.